Peace. Carol here. I've just been on a time machine, and I went back 40,000 years ago. And I went to learn to see how human beings and related creatures lived, and how happy they were, and how healthy they were. And what I found was, I found a very wise shaman, and I'm going to bring her out now. Her name is...
Here I am.
Hi, Cookie.
Oh, hello. I just don't understand. What's an iPad?
Oh, I'll have to show you how that works later.
Yeah, okay. It just looks like a cookie to me.
Well, do you have a cookie recipe in your new cookbook?
What do you mean, your new cookbook?
Well, I mean, all the recipes came from you, Cookie, so I do believe it's your cookbook.
Then why is your name on the bottom of the book?
Oh, well, you know, because you're not registered anywhere and we need to get paid for it.
What do you need?
Well, I'm going to give you gold.
Oh, that's nice. As long as I get to go back home to my children.
Yes, you won't be gone longer than a couple of hours in your lifetime.
I see. Will I age?
Oh, not really, because of the speed of light travel.
Oh, nice, nice. I like the future. Maybe I'll stay.
No, you need to go back.
Well, as I was saying, this is my cookbook, and it is the best cookbook ever.
Why is that, Cookie?
Well, you see, the recipes focus on nutrition, ease of preparation, size of kitchen.
What do you mean? Do you have to have a big kitchen?
No. An outdoor campfire will be just fine for these recipes. You see, maximum satisfaction and minimum work involved, you see.
Why is that?
Well, you see, we cave people, we're quite lazy with all the chores we have. We just don't like chopping wood. There, what is that land again behind that little box?
I'll explain it to you after the video. But there will be a lot of people watching. They're just not watching now.
Oh, are you going to send it into the future?
Sort of, yes. I'm going to post it on YouTube.
I see. Shall we feature a recipe?
Sure, let's open it up for a recipe. Oh, look at this Mystery of Life recipe.
Oh, that's my favorite one. Yes, let's see. What are those little symbols on the page? Oh, I'll read it for you. Ingredients: love, family, and smiles. Sunshine, sleep, and play. Dedicated life purpose. Nice.
Directions: mix well and enjoy.
Oh, is that what the book's about?
No. The book has real recipes that you eat. Chocolate-covered berries.
Oh, yummy. Yes, I had those every Halloween. You have Halloween?
Certainly, yes. Coconut fudge brownies.
Yum.
Reincarnation by chocolate brownies. You know about reincarnation?
5 bananas.
Oh, so you can read.
No, I just remember.
5 bananas, half a cup of almond butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 to 1/2 cup soy milk, depending on how much you need.
Or you can use goat's milk or dinosaur milk.
You have dinosaurs?
Just kidding. We have sense of humor, you know.
Okay. 1 cup almond flour, or soy flour if you're into that.
Okay.
1 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup chopped walnuts,
Yummy.
2 dark chocolate bars.
Although if you live in my era, you just use the cacao pods and you mush them up and you ferment them a little bit in the sunshine.
Preheat oven to 350, blah, blah, blah. Bake the ingredients and then you let it cool and you eat it with ice cream, like soy vanilla ice cream.
That sounds so good. Could we go make that?
Yeah, but
Any good other recipes?
let's see, so you can just read it for yourself. I'll just scroll it up. La, it's a high-tech video. Cavewoman Cookbook.
Okay, that's good enough. Shall we turn off that machine and go make our brownies? Did you say the purgatory?
Yes.
We should do a better presentation later, but right now I'm hungry and I want to make those brownies.
Okay, this is for surviving in the wild, ladies and gentlemen. Cavewoman Cookbook.
Pick it up at your nearest Amazon.com. Or Kindle. Yes. Okay. I'm starving. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Peace and... Farewell. I'm going back home to my children. La 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 la. Okay, bye everybody.